Good morning, students. We are starting with our new poem from Unit 4, lesson number 4.5. If I can stop one heart from breaking, I shall not live in vain. Emily Dickinson. Emily Dickinson is an American poet who has wrote this poem. If I can stop one heart from breaking, I shall not live in vain. Means, if possible for you or for us to stop someone or anyone's heart from breaking, then you won't feel shame or regret on self. So let's continue with our poem ahead and understand more about what Emily Dickinson has said in this poem. If I can stop one heart from breaking, I shall not live in vain. If you are able to stop at least one person's heart from breaking, you will not feel regret or shame on self by thinking that you was not able to stop that person's heart from breaking or sad, and you won't be able to live without prosperous because it keeps on feeling regret for it that you was not able to help that person in his or her pain. If I can seize one life, the itching, or cool one pain, or help one fainting robin unto his nest again, means if you are able to reduce a sorrow or pain of someone's life, or can give a relief from the feeling like a helpless. Fainting robin means feeling helpless, and robin is a small red bird who feels helpless for going back to her nest. Same like that, if someone is feeling sorrow or pain for going back to someone's, so give them a relief and understand them that they can reduce the pain and can feel relief to itself, and they can go back to their nest. So I shall not live in vain means you will not feel regret or shame on yourself. So this was the poem which Emily Dickinson wants to say to us, that if it is possible for you to help someone in their life, don't feel or make yourself stop there. Instead of them, try your best to help that person. It may be anything. If you feel bad or sad, but try to help that person to live good, because it will give a precious and worthly life ahead, that you will feel that you was able to help someone in their life, and this gives happiness and satisfaction to you in return. So she wanted to explain this only in her poem, that humanity is a good to help someone in their need. Hope you learned many things from this poem, that what Emily Dickinson wanted to tell us. So hope you all will do your best like this in your life. Thank you, my dear students.